Mama!
And you see this lip gloss?
Mama!
Very pretty lip gloss. You put it on.
Yes. And the very... You don't look like... You're so beautiful.
I know.
You know, if we don't laugh nothing, we don't make fun videos. Because...
You know, laughing puts you in a good mood too.
Yes. You take lip gloss and you put it on.
Very pretty lip gloss. I am very pretty now. And you see now, this here is called Make. It is very old.
No, wait. I finish first, okay?
Oh,
you take like this and you put it here.
That's right, just there.
You have to even out. Oh, this is okay. This is pretty. It's like...
Laughing lightens your mood. Billy,
Yes.
can we sister afterwards?
No.
But you are my pimp.
Stop. I don't like you.
Hello.
Okay, take mascara.
You wanna
with
kiss?
me. You take mascara. Your mascara. Take
I
your
respect him.
Okay. And then you open.
Open like this.
And you go close. Go close.
Very.
And be very... You need to do perfect.
So do very much, and that means perfect. And you have to have like...
This is okay. This is very beautiful.
I like it this way.
This mascara...
You must take very much of it, so it will look very pretty. And you just have to like...
You need to dab it on.
You see the very pretty thing, and then you put very much.
Come? Okay.
You could come on me.
Here. Okay. And then you take this and do this.
You see, and you do this too. See here. This is very pretty. You see, it's like eyeshadow but prettier. And laughing lightens up your mood. Don't forget.
Don't forget, no.
Don't ever forget to laugh. If you're in a funeral, you have to laugh.
You take, and like, it's made like eyeliner. Nobody knows this. It's an ancient secret that you can use this
Mascara for eyeliner. You can also use it to put in your eyebrows. I think that is very pretty too.
Okay, move.
Wait, I am putting on some more mascara.
You look very beautiful, like your mother.
You do too, honey. My mother has only fucked 200 guys.
Very. So
and my mother is
little.
20.
So little.
No, she is not a whore.
Can I?
Laughing lightens up your mood.
Okay. Okay, you take. Okay, now I.
I am so sorry. My son is very stupid. I am 12 and I have a son. His name is Rilly. That's why we are Rilly.
Okay, you put very much mascara on.
I am going to use a thing called Make. I don't know. You broke a jar.
Laughing makes fun.
What? No, laughing puts you in a good
I will
mood.
fix it afterwards, okay?
You see this? This is called Make, and it makes you look very pretty indeed.
You take black hair and you go like this.
And it is very pretty.
You need to do, you know, this.
Are you going to push me, Helgi? Really? Really?
Helgi van Snatsma!
Don't call my boy Helgi. Helgi is not a compliment. Wait, I have to put on more make. You see, it is very beautiful to have such
You
much.
remember to do long here. And here. Then you
have to always remember to be a thing called flackot. That is very pretty to do. Can you eat it too? I like when people eat it because it turns me on. See? There ain't no thing like a chicken wing.
I'm
going to put mascara in my eye
I
first.
smell like a bird.
No, we smell like a dead dog.
Okay, you get this for like $1 each, you know, you take each drop and you go like boom, boom.
You see this mascara and eyebrow? It is very pretty and very hot and
You
stylish.
need to do like a Cassie.
I don't understand what cassette is.
Cassie, just Cassie. You need to do...
I will fill in with eyeliner later.
Okay, do like...
Can you like take a picture of me because I'm pretty? Thank you.
Then you take lip gloss and you put... very much lip gloss.
And then I'm going to fill in here. See, it is very pretty and it will be even prettier now because I am going to do it really thick. You can also do it really thin, that is also in fashion. But I like to do it thick. I don't know why, it's just really pretty. And I really do like it.
I can do a heart with my...
Oh my god! What is that? Really? Stop.
It's a heart. I am Billy.
No, I'm talking about my son Rilly.
Thank you. Stop.
You see, it's very beautiful to have them uneven. Okay? Always have them really uneven. I should... Where is the glass? Here it is. And I shall use this glass because it is very pretty with the other glass. And put very much so it will be fun to fuck guys, to suck their cocks. And laughing makes you mood. Laughing is so fun.
Okay, you take, you know...
You can also put this on cheeks, but I'm not going to do it now because I have something on my cheeks.
You put this... There is the...
This here is eyeshadow, but I use it for my cheeks. Because eyeshadow, you know, purple cheeks are very cool today.
Where is the Dutchma?
I don't know what Dutchma means.
Dutchma.
Just let the sky fall. When it crumbles.
Okay, you take this
tall.
brush. It's a very beautiful brush. Then you dab in black eyeshadow.
Hey, I have blush.
This is purple. And you go like here.
See this? I will do this on my cheeks.
Go all up on it. You need to go all up because if you don't go all up...
What is so funny? I think this is beautiful. Really.
You need to go like here and
Really
here.
together forever. Am I right?
No. I need to break up with you next month.
But that's when I have my baby.
That's okay. I don't like babies.
Are you going to leave me with my baby?
Yep.
Can I have money?
Do I look like I have money?
Yes. Aren't you okay?
Okay. This is a look you need to use because you need to look like a hoe.
No. This does not look like a hoe. I look like a hoe, but this looks like very fashionably. And if you don't look like this, you're ugly.
Yes. No, I'm going to say, okay, you're going to sleep, okay? Then you go, this is my hoe look. She does another look. You follow her, okay? You take this. And you need to look like you are just never been sleeping because you're so horny and you can't sleep.
You have sex with every man on the block because you're so horny, and then guys will want to fuck. Yeah. Laughing makes you mood.
Laughing makes. And okay, you take here and put all over, you know, your eye. You need to take very much.
You see, this is from Gosh. It is very expensive. So, and it's yellow, and only use little and put on your cheeks. Then you look like a warrior.
Yes.
And then you rub it, just rub it. And then your cheeks will become all yellow. And that is very stylish. It's like you rubbed a female on you. Very summery. You're like summer. Summer is hot. You're hot. Can I have some Vaseline to rub on my vagina?
Okay, you take this and rub. You rub very nice. Then you're ready, okay? I'm sexy. Then you take mascara and you mascara.
And you never clean it off. You never clean it off at night. You sleep with it and then you put more on the day after.
Always more.
And don't shower. Shower is
for pussies.
I mean, shower takes off your makeup. You don't want that.
Okay, and the next thing you do with your hair, okay? You take your hair and you kind of take it up like this. You know, you take here and take up.
Or you do like this and you do this. You can't see me anymore, but that's okay.
You take up and you build here and you get this stylish look like this. And you go like this. Okay? And then you take this and roll up. You need to roll up because because it won't be pretty if you don't roll up. Then you do like this. No, it is ugly. You take another one and take it all up like this. And you take.
Okay, and I'm ready. No, I'm not ready. I have to do it like this. So yeah, this is very pretty. I like this a lot.
I like this one.
Mine is beautiful. I am like a unicorn. I'm very hot, horny unicorn. You see, I'm going to be like this forever. Never shower, remember. And dye your hair like blonde, like it's white. That is very stylish.
We show you next video that we make blonde hair.
Yes.
I want to have my hair like you.
I don't want to have red hair.
That's okay.
He has blonde hair. Let's show his hair. Wait a minute. Hello. He has very blonde hair.
And he got a piercing in the ear.
Yes, and he got piercing in ear. Really. Let me show piercing in ear. You see? You saw the piercing. It was very good.
My hair is ready, okay? Then you
take very beautiful toothpaste and you put it in your mouth.
Okay? This you don't. Toothbrush. Look. Toothbrush.
Good. Oh, you're not done with that.
Nobody need to.
You just put on your teeth. And you lick it all around.
It tastes like kinda like
Toothpaste.
I haven't tasted it in 10 years.
Yep, I haven't tasted it in 15 because who needs to toothbrush?
This is like
But I'm only 12 though. I swallowed mine because I think it's tasting good. Did you just give someone a blowjob? Nice. Hvar lokið? Oh my god,
okay, what you want to do with this look
is to guys.
You take it, see, it goes like this. It's kind of like you know what I'm talking about. And you have it like this, and it will dry out.
And it will be very pretty. I promise you, it is very pretty. Where is the lid? It's called lock.
You know this is sexy.
Where is lock, Diana? No, Billy. Billy, where is?
I do not know.
Oh, I found the lock.
And then you are ready to go.
You do not open.
And we are ready now.
And we are going to town and to be very stylish.
You will see us next video. No, one thing. Okay, you need to do this thing because or else you won't look beautiful. You dab a little water on your hand, only little, not much. Okay, you dab a little and then you do this.
This will look very pretty because it looks like you have been sweating a lot because you had sex.
Then you take your eyebrow up. You take up. This will make like a circle motion and you don't want to have black all over. So you do it like this.
And before you go, don't remember to laugh because laughing is very pretty. And everybody likes laughing. Ha ha ha!
Goodbye.
Ég er hættur.